the culture of healthy lifestyle early on sa mga bata. No? As was mentioned kanina ni Doktora, yung junk foods, sorry to say, yung mga fast foods. Okay? Kasi when we inculcate sa bata pa lang na these are not healthy foods, dapat water lang. Instead of fried chicken, dapat ito lang, veggies, fish lang. Pag graduate siya, punta sa Jollibee, sa McDo. Ganun ba? No? Talagang mga, dagang kayong mga preservative.
And the Philippine Heart Association can.
Hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute to the best of my ability the duties of a member of the Philippine Heart Association Bohol Chapter and that I preserve, protect and defend the bylaws of the association and exert my best effort to advance its goals and attain its visions. So help me God. Congratulations to our new sets of PHA Bohol board officers.
Thank you, Dr. Neal, and congratulations to our newly elected officers. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give them once again a warm round of applause.
Of the Philippine Heart Association Bohol Chapter, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the bylaws of the association. So, with that, let me just give you some. We are not stuck here in Bohol, and we are here. There was a question earlier why it took so long for a chapter to be here in the island of Bohol. So let me share some personal notes.
Following this, we shall proceed with the induction of members to be conducted by the PHA Bohol